Hello, today we're going to blend, build, and decode regularly spelled one-syllable words with short A and consonants N, D, P, and C. All right, let's do line 1 together. App, nap. Let's do the next one. At, pat. App, map. App, cap. Pen. All right, do you see any words in this first line that begin with the same consonant? All right, we have pat and pan, and I believe that's the only two that begin with the same consonant. Do we have words that end with the same consonant? Let's see, we have nap, map, and cap. All right, let's do line 2. Blend them with me, please. Ab, cab. Add, dad. Man. Add, mad. Can. All right, here do we have any words that begin with the same consonant? Well, we have cab and can. They begin with the consonant C. And we have man and mad. They begin with the consonant M. All right, do we have words that end with the same consonant? How about dad and mad? They rhyme, don't they? They have the same word family, A-D. And let's look at man and can. They too end with the same word family, A-N. All right, let's look at line 3. Add, mad. At, bat. Add, sad. At, mat. Add, dad. All right, do we have words that begin with the same consonant? Mad and mat. All right, do we have words that end with the same consonant sound? Mad and dad, that AD word family. And we also have sad, don't we? We have 3 there. And what about bat and mat? They too end with the same word family, AT. All right, now we have a challenge line. Let's see how we do on this. This gives us a little bit of a challenge. App, cap. Camp. Add, sad. And sand. Very good. All right, now we have 2 sentences. Let's read these together. Is Dan mad at Tab? Oh, what do we see at the end of that sentence? We see a question mark. All right, did you hear my voice go up at the end? When we're reading a sentence, our voice goes up at the end. Let's try it again. Is Dan mad at Tab? And let's look at how our sentence began. It began with a capital letter, and we also have Dan, capitalized, and Tab. Why do you think Dan and Tab are capitalized? Are they names? Yes. I I think Dan is the name of a person, and Tab could be the name of an animal. Let's look at our picture over here. I bet we could see. No, Tab must be a little boy. All right, I was wrong. So Tab is probably another person. All right, let's look at line 6. Dad can see Dan. All right, again, let's look at our punctuation at the end. Now we have a period because it's a telling sentence. We're telling something. But we have a beginning capital letter in Dad, and Dan is capitalized. This must be Dan instead of Tab. Don't you think? That must be Dan there, not Tab. Maybe Tab is the name of an animal. We do capitalize names of animals also. All right, so how did you do reading the words? Did you do pretty good? Great. If you need more practice, remember you can go to the HMH site, and I will assign a book for you to read, to work on, called Can Tab Nap? And that will be a book that you can read to practice your skills.